Hey guys, please enjoy this short nature video. Bird migration is a phenomenon that has fascinated humans for centuries. It is a remarkable and intricate journey undertaken by millions of birds across the globe, driven by instinct and necessity. This annual pilgrimage, often spanning thousands of miles, is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of these avian travelers. Migration is a survival strategy adopted by birds to cope with changing seasons, limited resources, and adverse environmental conditions. Birds migrate for various reasons, including the search for abundant food sources, suitable breeding grounds, and favorable climate. The most common trigger for migration is the availability of food, especially during winter when many regions become inhospitable. The mechanisms behind bird migration are complex and involve a combination of genetic programming, environmental cues, and individual learning. Birds are equipped with an innate sense of direction, often guided by the Earth's magnetic field. They can also perceive changes in day length, temperature, and other environmental factors that signal the need to embark on their journey. Bird migration can be broadly categorized into two types: altitudinal and latitudinal. Altitudinal migration involves vertical movements within a habitat, typically seen in mountainous regions where birds move to lower altitudes during winter. Latitudinal migration, on the other hand, involves horizontal movements across long distances, often between breeding and non-breeding grounds. Some bird species undertake astonishing long journeys during their migration. One of the most famous migration routes is the Arctic terns, which travels from the Arctic to the Antarctic and back, covering an impressive 27,340 miles each way. The bar-tailed godwit holds the record for the longest nonstop flight during migration, covering approximately 6,835 miles from Alaska to New Zealand. Migration is not without its challenges. Birds face numerous threats during their journey, including predation, adverse weather conditions, and habitat loss. However, over time, these avian travelers have developed remarkable adaptations to overcome these obstacles. They form flocks for protection, use favorable wind patterns to conserve energy, and even adjust their metabolic rates to endure long flights without food. Bird migration plays a crucial role in maintaining ecological balance. As birds move across vast distances, they disperse seeds, control insect populations, and contribute to nutrient cycling. Additionally, migratory birds serve as indicators of environmental health, reflecting changes in climate and habitat conditions. The conservation of migratory birds requires international cooperation and coordinated efforts. Many species face threats such as habitat destruction, climate change, and collisions with man-made structures. Conservation initiatives include the establishment of protected areas along migration routes, the monitoring of key stopover sites, and the development of sustainable practices to minimize human impact. Bird migration is a captivating natural spectacle that showcases the resilience, adaptability, and interconnectedness of the avian world.